all the seats in Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat and Rajasthan were held by the BJP, and the by-polls in fact were called because MLAs of their party were elected to the Lok Sabha. The UP results in particular, as you can see, have been the biggest shock for the BJP, where a shrill, polarized campaign had taken place.
It wasn't as triumphant a homecoming for Narendra Modi in Ahmedabad as it could have been. In all, BJP lost 13 of the 24 seats it won in May. The worst rout was in UP. Today, the Samajwadi Party celebrated its huge win in Rohania, the assembly segment where just 4 months ago, Modi won resoundingly from Varanasi. The BJP's second setback in UP. Under Adityanath's very controversial leadership, the party lost 7 of the 10 assembly segments it won just last May. This despite its campaign dominated by hate, love jihad and general communal polarization, which seemed to pay off in national elections in UP.
समाजवादी पार्टी जो है, जब उन्होंने इनिशियल रिएक्शन दिया चुनाव के बाद, तो उन्होंने ये कहा कि जो कम्युनल ताकतें हैं उनकी डिफीट हुई है। देखिए, जहां मैं गया था दोनों जगह हम लोग जीते, नोएडा लखनऊ दोनों बीजेपी जीती है।
Another matter that the BJP lost 5 seats he campaigned in. But the BJP's third setback. It even lost the seat Uma Bharti won in the last assembly elections. And she candidly admitted this.
मोदी जी की लोकप्रियता दिनों दिन बढ़ रही है, मोदी की सरकार की लोकप्रियता भी बढ़ रही है। इसका मतलब जो स्थानीय नेता हैं, हम सबको आत्मचिंतन करना होगा कि हमसे भूलें कहां हो गई।
In fact, senior leaders like Uma Bharti and Rajnath Singh didn't campaign in UP. Bharti was said to be unhappy with the candidate selected, and Rajnath's son had been denied a ticket. And a bigger issue before the party will be questions over its president Amit Shah, whom Modi called the man of the match for a phenomenal sweep of Lok Sabha seats in Uttar Pradesh. The big winner claimed it was a victory for his development work. Ironically, the same plank as Narendra Modi here earlier this year.
जनता ने सोच समझ करके पूरी समझदारी से ऐसी ताकतें जो समाज को बांटना चाहती हैं उनको पीछे कर दिया।
Though one of his winning candidates admitted that the BSP's absence from this election helped.
जब बसपा नहीं है तो पुराने साथी हमारे जितने थे हमारे साथ लग गए, वो सपा के साथ काम किया है और उनके कंधे से कंधा मिला करके सपा ने भी उनका सहयोग किया।
While the BJP did manage to win the Saharanpur seat, the Samajwadi Party and the opposition parties are seeing the by-polls as a mini referendum and say that the Modi wave is losing steam. However, the BJP says that this was an election that was largely fought on local issues.
The voters at large were not very enthusiastic about the election, so they didn't really go out in large numbers to vote in this election, and I think that has been a reason of loss for the BJP.
The state unit of the BJP had been billing these by-elections as a semi-final for the 2017 assembly polls. But this resounding defeat shows that they still have a long way to go as far as the state politics is concerned. With Alok and Siddharth Pandey and camera person Rajesh Gupta, Neha Masih for NDTV.